Hello everyone! In this video, I'll guide you how to fix Adobe After Effects System Compatibility Report error step by step in a simple way. This error usually shows up when your system drivers or hardware settings are not fully supported. First, open After Effects and read the compatibility report carefully to identify the exact issue. Most of the time, it's related to your graphics card. Now, go to Device Manager and update your GPU driver from the official website like NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel. After that, make sure your Windows is fully updated by checking for system updates in Settings. Next, open Adobe Creative Cloud and update After Effects to the latest version for better compatibility. If the problem is still there, open After Effects Settings and change the renderer to Software-Only mode to bypass GPU issues. Also, check that your system meets minimum requirements like RAM and processor. Finally, restart your computer and launch After Effects again, and the compatibility error should be fixed, and everything should run smoothly now without issues. Subscribe the channel for more videos.